We are the elders and leaders of this great state, River State. We are here to encourage the governor of River State, who is also the leader as of right, for what he has done and put in place for the conduct of election, local government election coming up tomorrow. God for who he is and what he has been doing for the people of River State. We ask him that despite every other efforts trying to slow down his pace, God only will give him the courage to continue. Election is the exercise of the fundamental right of the people. And every person in River State has the right to go out and vote and express his right. The court, especially the Supreme Court decision, empowered him like any other governor in Nigeria to conduct the local government election. And local government election is local. It is the responsibility of the state governor and the responsibility of all other well-meaning people of River State to conduct this election. We are asking that every indigene of River State and all those who live and do business in River State should come out tomorrow and exercise their fundamental rights. We are the same to all those who are spiritually inclined to continue to pray for the unity and peace in River State. Those who don't want peace in River State are those who should be declared enemies of River State. Those who want election to be postponed tomorrow are declared enemies of River State. River State must grow. The unity and love. Since River State was created in 1967, we are interested in exercising the democratic principles. We have always had peace. And it will be the happiness of all those, the Tespiv, Ada George, Dr. Peter Deli, and all of us who have managed the affairs of this state to see that peace, unity, and further development continues to grow in River State. If any person thinks otherwise, those people are the enemies of River State. So we urge every person to come out tomorrow in full support of democracy and vote for the success of the local government election. Thank you, and God bless all of you.